Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to reset Canvas presets to their default settings in the Sketchbook app on your phone. If you've ever customized your canvas and want to go back to the original settings, first, open the Sketchbook app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then, from the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Preferences. Scroll down the Preferences menu carefully until you find the option that says Reset Canvas Presets. Click on it to proceed. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you want to reset the presets. Finally, click on OK to confirm, and your Canvas presets will return to the default settings. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.